So we're just taking a quick walk, and probably gonna stop by here by our vegetable fruit vendor and get us some vegetables. I think we need at least onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a few other things. And as you walk down these streets, you see small little store windows everywhere. And here they have the rooster hanging. He's hanging, yeah. That's also common here. You wake up every morning, 5 o'clock, they start going off. Alarm clock. Yeah, those are live and well alarm clocks. They keep you awake. I don't know if they've opened up yet. It doesn't.
Yeah, they're open.
They're open, but they're blocking
they're
the sun.
Blocking the
sun,
vegetables from the sun.
Yeah. Hello. Are you open yet? Yeah, you're blocking the sun. All right. So I want some. I want some tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Here's the tomatoes, oh. Here's the tomatoes.
Wala ka video tayo. We are on live.
We're on live. Naglakad kasi kami. Oh, vlogging.
Yeah, we're vlogging.
We're just vlogging.
The sun is still hot.
All right.
Tomatoes. And then potato.
She has cucumbers somewhere, I know that.
I think it's underneath.
You have no cucumber today?
Where is it, Lex? You have one?
The cucumber is hiding.
Yes.
If they have them. Yeah. These are papayas?
No, it's not papayas.
Maybe no cucumber today?
No cucumbers.
Okay.
How about potato?
But,
The potato.
Potato, no, not today, but yellow onion, red onion.
Okay.
Yellow onion, red onion. He's rolling up. Now we can walk in the front of the store.
Okay.
We can walk in the front of the store now.
Ah, they have mango.
Yeah.
Oh. Now they're officially open. Red onion. How about the small red onions? You don't like?
I don't like
You like big. Why you like big? That one is bigger than mine. Magkano yung kilo ng mango, te?
100?
100. I don't know. Just try. They have also green mango here.
Is that also 100?
No, it's different price. Magkano yung sa Indian mango, kuya? This one is 35 per kilo. Sabi today, add more. That one.
Oh, you get another one. Right.
How about this one? Green one.
How much are they?
35 per kilo.
Okay, let's get another kilo of those then. I don't like those.
I like those.
My wife likes them.
Ladies' choice.
Ladies' choice, yeah.
Panghimagas din yan eh. Thank you. Wala. Naglakad lang kami.
Thank you.
We're just walking.
All right, that was.
Kuya said, where's your motorbike?
No, we're walking today. We walked to Yandra. We walked. Had to go and buy some light bulbs and some other things. So we're walking. You know, it's nice to be out vlogging a little bit when you walk also.
We buy green mangoes and yellow mangoes.
All right, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So now we're good for a day again. Yeah. Yeah, they know my name here. I come here a few times a week. All right. All right. Bye-bye. All right, so they have two types of mango here. I don't really know the difference. Maybe some of our subscribers would know, and if you do, please comment. Hey, no, we walk. We walk. It's okay. Thank you, though. We were just offered a ride with a trike. He is one of our neighbors, and
That's our neighborhood.
that's how they are here. You know, they're very helpful. Our neighbors have been very, very friendly to us, and we enjoy this neighborhood. It is a little bit different from what you might be used to if you're coming from a middle-class neighborhood in the United States to a middle-class neighborhood in Philippines.
Yeah, this house I like.
Yeah, they built this house. Look at the green color they put on it. So that's a little different, you know, coming and live here. Comfort is not always the same, but you have all the basics, and for a fraction of cost that you have in United States or Europe. We'll just walk up this way, huh? This is all inside our barangay. We've never taken you down this street before. Is it heavy to carry? wife is carrying some bags here. And karaoke you have everywhere. Karaoke, karaoke, karaoke. That's sometimes a problem when you're doing YouTube video because some of that material is copyrighted. And Google is pretty good in catching it. Smelled some fish balls, huh? Yeah, not today. We just ate. Okay, this is one of the last streets that has not yet been paved. No, I don't think
Yeah,
so.
it is.
Maybe. I don't think it's raining. Where? Yeah, but those are apartments. That's not what they want, right?
Yeah. One gate, one apartment.
Yeah. So anyway, this is one of the last streets in here that is not paved, and they were hoping they were going to do it. I have here is our place where we actually go and pay most of our bills, and that's just around 1 block away from where we are. So it's very convenient. All your utility bills can be paid here. Electric, water, cable, internet, whatever. And it's also a walking distance. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this one up because now it starts raining a little bit. So we don't want to get the gimbal wet. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell for continuous updates.